Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to put a dimmer switch for this bathroom light. When we first moved into this house, our half bath had this light, which had two 40-watt light bulbs. I decided it really wasn't bright enough, so let's change the light bulbs to 60-watt light bulbs. It was a little brighter, but not really enough, so I installed two LED 100-watt light bulbs. And now we are going to install, along with the 100-watt light bulbs, a dimmer switch so we can manage the amount of light in the half bath. Here is a picture of the type of light bulbs that I installed. As you can see, both the 100-watt light bulbs and the dimmer switch are made to be compatible with each other. Not all dimmer switches and LED bulbs are compatible. So the first thing we need to do is find the correct circuit breaker in the service panel and turn the circuit breaker off. You never want to work with the power on. Now that the power is off, I pulled the switch out so we can verify that the power is off to the old switch. I'm going to connect my meter to the ground wire and then to the wire at the top of the switch. Normal wiring practice is power always terminates at the top of the switch. Now I'm going to verify there is no voltage at the bottom wire, so we don't have any voltage on either wire. Now it's safe to proceed. Now that the power is off, obviously we need some auxiliary lighting in the half bath. So I brought in a service light, and that's how we're going to work while the electricity is off. We have removed the old switch. Now we're going to wire in the new dimmer switch. We're going to connect the existing wire to the new dimmer switch with these wire nuts. We have 3 wires to connect. First, we will be connecting the power wire coming from the service panel. Next, the wire that's going to the existing light fixture. And lastly, the bare copper wire to the ground wire from the new dimmer switch. We need to tighten the wire nuts up nice and tight so we have a good wire connection on all the wires. Now that we have all the wires attached with the wire nuts, we're going to put the wires and the wire nuts back into the box along with the dimmer switch. The dimmer switch does have an arrow that tells you which way the dimmer switch should be installed. So that's the way we're going to install it. Now it's time to put the cover back on. Okay, we've got our power back on now. It's time to see if the dimmer switch works. And there you have it. Our half bath now has a dimmer for better lighting. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.